Starting a bookkeeping business can be an excellent venture, especially with the increasing demand for outsourcing administrative tasks. If you're someone who enjoys working with numbers and assisting others, this video will walk you through these steps to establish your own bookkeeping business from scratch. Firstly, it's important to understand the role of a bookkeeper. Bookkeepers are responsible for managing a company's financial records, using accounting software to track finances, handling accounts payable and receivable, and generating financial statements like profit and loss statements and balance sheets. They play a crucial role in helping businesses understand their financial health and optimize their performance. And by the way, if you would like to get help forming an LLC for your bookkeeping business, make sure to reach out to Northwest Registered Agents by clicking my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they will be able to help you out. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Step number 1, identify your market. First, before diving into the bookkeeping business, it's essential to understand who your potential clients are. Are you targeting specific industries like retail, healthcare, or consulting? Perhaps you're focusing on businesses of a certain size, such as startups or established small businesses. Knowing your market helps you tailor your services to meet their needs effectively. For example, if you specialize in helping restaurants, you'll understand their unique financial challenges like managing inventory and payroll. This specialization can make you more attractive to potential clients and help you stand out in a crowded market. Step number 2, write a business plan. The second step is to think of your business plan as a blueprint for success. It's a document that outlines your business goals, strategies to achieve them, and how you'll overcome potential challenges. Your plan should cover aspects like the services you'll offer, your target market, competition analysis, marketing plan, and financial projections. Writing a business plan not only helps you clarify your vision, but also serves as a roadmap to guide your business decisions. Plus, if you ever need to seek funding or partnerships, having a well thought out business plan can make a strong impression on investors or lenders. Step number 3 would be getting certified. While certification isn't mandatory for starting a bookkeeping business, it can significantly enhance your credibility and marketability. Becoming a certified public bookkeeper, CPB, or obtaining certifications in popular accounting software like QuickBooks can demonstrate your expertise to potential clients. Clients often feel more confident in trusting their financial records to certified professionals who have demonstrated a commitment to high standards of professionalism and competence. Certification programs typically involve completing coursework, passing exams, and fulfilling continuing education requirements to stay updated with industry's best practices. Step number 4, register your business and get insured. After the certification, when you feel ready to launch your bookkeeping business, it's time to formalize its legal structure and protect yourself from potential liabilities. Depending on your preferences and business needs, you'll choose a legal structure such as a sole ownership, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its own implications for taxes, liability, and operational flexibility, so it's crucial to choose the one that aligns with your goals and circumstances. Additionally, investing in insurance such as professional liability insurance and general liability insurance safeguards your business against potential lawsuits or financial losses resulting from errors or accidents in your work. Step number 5, choose bookkeeping software. Now, as a bookkeeper, your tools are essential for efficiently managing your clients' financial records and transactions. Choosing the right bookkeeping software can streamline your workflow, automate repetitive tasks, and provide valuable insights into your clients' financial health. Popular options like QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks offer features such as invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting. Consider factors like ease of use, compatibility with your client's system, cost, and scalability when selecting the software that best suits your business needs. Additionally, exploring integrations with other business tools and apps can enhance your efficiency and productivity. Next, you need to establish a strong foundation for your bookkeeping business. That is essential for long-term success. Your business infrastructure encompasses various elements, including your online presence, client management system, communication tools, and financial management processes. A professional website not only showcases your services, but also serves as a hub for potential clients to learn about your expertise and contact you. Implementing a customer relationship management (CRM) system helps you organize client information, track interactions, and nurture relationships effectively. Utilizing file sharing tools like Dropbox or Google Drive facilitates seamless collaboration and document exchange with your clients. Step number 7. Price your services. Determining how much to charge for your bookkeeping services requires careful consideration of factors like your expertise, the complexity of the work, market rates, and your clients' budgets. Conducting market research to understand what other bookkeepers are charging in your area and industry can provide valuable insights into pricing benchmarks. Additionally, consider the value you provide to your clients and how your services contributed to their business success. You may choose to offer tiered pricing packages or customized pricing based on the specific needs of each client. Offering incentives like discounts for long-term contracts or bundled services can incentivize clients to choose your business over competitors. Number 8. Find your customers. Now that your business is up and running, it's time to find your customers. You have to attract clients who need your bookkeeping services. Start by identifying your target market and understanding where they're most likely to be found. Networking with other professionals, joining industry associations, and attending local business events can help you connect with potential clients and build relationships. Leveraging social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter allows you to showcase your expertise, share valuable content, and engage with your target audience. Additionally, consider offering introductory discounts or referral incentives to encourage clients to try your services and spread the word about your business. Keep in mind that building a strong reputation through positive client experiences and word-of-mouth referrals can be a powerful driver of business growth. Lastly, you have to do your research. A bookkeeping business may require initial investments in equipment, software, marketing, and operational expenses. Research various funding options to cover these startup costs, such as small business loans, lines of credit, grants, or crowdfunding. Explore financing options offered by banks, credit unions, online lenders, or government agencies tailored to small businesses. Consider creating a detailed budget outlining your expenses and projected revenue to determine the amount of funding needed. Remember to maintain clear separation between your personal and business finances to ensure financial stability and legal compliance. Starting a bookkeeping business can be a rewarding journey filled with opportunities to help businesses thrive financially. By following these steps and staying committed to providing exceptional service, you can build a successful bookkeeping venture that makes a positive impact on your clients' businesses. Remember, perseverance and continuous learning are key to navigating the challenges and seizing the opportunities that come your way. And remember, if you would like to get help forming a legal structure for your business, I highly suggest you reach out to Northwest Registered Agents. They're professionals and they will be able to help you out. For your convenience, I left my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.